Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. In today's episode, I want to do a follow-up. So a few days ago, I did a video talking about Bitcoin crash wipeout, lessons before investing in crypto. So I talked about how I sold most of my crypto, and I want to share with you today why I sold it, where did the money go to, and what's my investment strategy for the rest of the year. And apart from that, I'll be unboxing one of the cutest power banks you will ever see, period. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching. Tara, let's go. Okay, so let's jump right into it. Why did I sell most of my crypto? Well, long story made short, because number one, I've been investing since 2017. The profits and the yields were already very good. And I just felt that there were other opportunities that I couldn't pass up that projected or that I felt would be so much more profitable in the short term. So what am I talking about? So number one, I am setting up a couple of businesses. As you guys know by now, we have unboxed Green Hills. I do have plans of expanding the other entrepreneurial endeavors that I have. I am self-publishing a book, and I'm super excited about that one, which we will be launching in July 21. I am working on several other projects that need capital, that need investments. And I'm super thankful and I'm super happy that I made my investment in crypto when I did, because it would finance all the other new expansions and endeavors that I have. So this is not a knock against crypto. I'm not bashing crypto. This is just me being thankful that I was able to get in when it was still kind of low. Now it gives me a little bit more capital to expand and do other things, diba? So that's the exciting thing, which leads me to another point that I want to stress. Guys, when it comes to earning, when it comes to being, wanting to earn or become a millionaire, you have to take note of this one key fact. Millionaires have an average of what? 3 to 7 revenue streams. You cannot put all your eggs in one basket. Hindi pwedeng sweldo lang yan, hindi pwedeng sabihin natin crypto ka lang, hindi pwedeng negosyo ka lang. It has to be a portfolio play. You need to have multiple sources of income. If you have a job, that's 1. If you're into stocks, that's 2. If you're investing in crypto, that's 3. If you're into dividend stocks, that's 4. If you're, I don't know, doing like side hustles or selling stuff online, that's 5. If you're flipping, that, there's so many things that you can do to be able to generate money on the side, no? So what you need to do is you need to come up with multiple income streams. Real estate is also one of them, by the way, so that you're able to have as much as you can, and you're able to, so that when one goes down, like crypto, you still have other things. Because I know a lot of people who put in a ton of money on crypto just before it crashed. And when it crashed, it really bit them hard, as in hard. So that's a key lesson there. Now, you shouldn't put all your baskets, you shouldn't bet everything on just one investment. It's all about a portfolio play. Diba? You can do multiple businesses, multiple investments, wag isa lang. Now, the young guys watching this video probably are thinking, shucks, that's so hard, Carlo, I just have one job. It's not even paying a lot. What do I do? How can I do that, guys? I'm 38 years old, turning 39. I'm old. So before I was able to get here, I went through what you guys went through. I had the first job. I had like a not so nice salary. I had to scrimp and eat canned food and pancit canton all the time. I had to cook my own food. I had to commute. Kumbaga, dumadaan tayo dyan. You shouldn't compare. And then there's a saying, right? You shouldn't compare the chapter 10 of somebody else to your chapter 1. What I'm trying to say is that you need to be a little bit more patient, but you need to put in the work, and you need to have the discipline to save, because over time it accumulates. Over time it becomes bigger, and once you have that bigger war chest, then you're prepared when the opportunity comes. Kasi pag dumating yung opportunity and you're not prepared, you don't have the money, you don't have the capital, you don't have the skills, then it's sayang. Kasi the opportunity will just pass you by. Wala na, goodbye opportunity. But if you are prepared, if you were able to save, if you have the capital to spend, to make that investment, when it comes your way, then you can take your shot. Diba? But you can only take the shot if you have the skills and if you have the funds. So while you're young, accumulate on both, and then when it happens, Kind of like what happened to me. Hindi naman nangyari to overnight eh. It was a 20-year, almost 20-year journey to be able to reach where I am today when it comes to my career and business. It wasn't fast. It wasn't overnight. Wala naman ako minanang like millions eh. Wala, di ba, para for you able to do this. So, it's really all just hard work and patience. Speaking of business, plug ko lang, we have 2 new art toy collaborations coming this June. There's actually a third, which I'll reveal very soon. They also come with shirts. So, this is the Project 721 collaboration. This one is with Clarice Artworks. It's incredibly awesome. While this one is a collaboration with Wetworks as well as Terror Troopers. So it's a really nice samurai, which we're calling Grit. This one we're calling Rebel. So they will be dropping on Unboxed Greenhills. Please do follow Unboxed Greenhills on Facebook and Instagram so you know when we will be doing the raffle mechanics for the chance to purchase those 2 art toys. So wala lang, I just want to plug. Speaking of cats, tingnan natin. You know, si Dusty. Hi, Dusty. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Sarap na higa niya. Tingnan nyo guys. That ba censored to? Hi, Dusty. Hello. I hope you guys learned something from today's episode, but now let's get to the unboxing. I have one of the cutest power banks ever, and I just want to show it to you today. Ba-bam! This is, I don't know what it's called. It's called the Cat Power Bank. As you guys know, I love cats. I have 4 cats here at home. We have Dusty, Tiffy, Rumfold, and Cleo. And I just wanted to get like a really cute power bank for my wife. Shout out to YOLO Manila for the hookup on this particular item. So I don't know what the brand is. All I know is that when I saw it on their IG, man, I just had to have it because it's super cute, no? So anyway, so this is what it looks like. It even comes with like multiple stickers. There are multiple cats. Nabuksan ko na siya. But let me just take the power bank out of the box. So this is the power bank. So you have a cat inside what looks like a spaceship. And I think this one is like 10,000 milliamperes. And what's cute about this one is that you can actually change the cat that's inside the spaceship. Ang babaw, I know, but it's cute. Okay, so you have this gray colored cat over here. And then you have 3 other cat options that you can put in the ship. Now, what happens is, after you exhaust this power bank, let's say naubusan ka na, there is this magnetic wireless charging base. So, all you have to do is to plug this to a wall outlet and then, babam, yan na, nag-charge na yung power bank mo like a cute cat spaceship. Oh, cute niya. So, anyway, this one's going to the wife. It's called the Conquer 2B Cat Power Bank. And it's just a really nice, cute novelty gadget. Goes to the wife. Thank you, YOLO Manila. By the way, you might be wondering why I decided to buy that power bank for my wife. Well, we used to have a 5th cat. Her name was Phoebe, and she was our first ever cat. And she looked exactly like this one. So it's more sentimental and emotional than it is functional, because sometimes when it comes to giving gifts, it's not really how much the item is or how amazingly awesome it is. It's the thinking behind it. It's why it's personal and it's why it's special. And that's more on the subjective and the personal than it is on the functional or the price. That's actually it for today's vlog. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to the channel. If you haven't given this video a thumbs up yet, give it a thumbs up. And comment down below what you think of the topic. Comment down below what other topics you want me to cover that's not just related to shoes. I'd love to share more. I'd love to, you know, whatever knowledge I have, kung pwede ko ipasa sa inyo, ipapasa ko yan. And with that said, this is Carlo signing out. As usual, peace, God bless, what's up, boom.